My name is Scott Semegran, and I'm a writer and a cartoonist. Writing actually came first. I started a novel literally the day after I graduated from the University of Texas. I got a degree in English, and I'd studied literature, and I started a novel that it turned out to be garbage, and then put it in the closet and started my second one, which turned out to be all right, and then I just kind of went from there. You know, I've learned so many things along the way. I wish that early on I had someone to help with editing. You need someone to kind of go through it, even just at a basic level of just copy editing, to try to find some of those mistakes. And then if you have the opportunity to have someone talk to you about your work, a full-time editor, then that's even better. And then if possible, a graphic designer for a cover. Those two things are pretty essential up front before you even release the book. Sammie Budgie is my latest novel. It's the third book in a series called The Simon Adventures. I originally did the cover myself, and as a cartoonist, I felt that I did a pretty good job of creating the covers. But right at the end of production for Sammie and Budgie, I had an epiphany that I just really wanted to up my game. And so I just decided at that point I was going to hire a graphic designer and try to work with her. And so I'd already gone through one iteration of the cover myself. And then with her, we went through 3 iterations of a cover. It took a little while, but it was worth it because that book just recently won an award. Just a couple weeks ago, it won Best Cover for Fiction from the Texas Association of Authors. And so I'm very proud of it. A writer and author has to look at themselves like a business as far as investing in themselves. And so if you have to hire an editor or graphic designer to help you, you're just investing in your work, just like you would if you started a small business. So I use Lulu to create hardcovers for my books. I've found that they create the best hardcovers, and they also distribute for me as well, so I can get the hardcovers on Amazon or Barnes & Noble, and that's very helpful. Lulu's a great creator of books. And so I found that when people see these hardcovers, they just think they're amazing, and they are. They do a great job.